Adding a color gradient effect to the text can make your designs really stand out. Whether you are making logos, social media posts, or just playing around, gradient text gives your project a unique, eye-catching style. And in this simple, step-by-step guide, you will learn how to quickly create gradient text effects in Photoshop, even if you have never used the program before. I will walk you through the process using easy to understand instructions that anyone can follow. First, open Photoshop and add a text layer with the words you want to transform. You can use the text tool in the toolbar to type any text you want. Then change the font, resize it, and position the text on your canvas. Once your text layer is ready, right-click directly on that layer in the Layers panel. In the menu that pops up, choose Blending Options. A layer style box will appear where you can access lots of effects and options. For gradients, you only need one thing: Gradient Overlay. Check the box next to these words to enable it. When you select Gradient Overlay, you will see your default gradient applied to the text. Now, we need to choose colors. You can either use some of the pre-made gradients or create your own with the colors you want. Just click the gradient preview bar to click up the color picker. You can add, delete, or change the gradient colors completely. For starters, try dragging and dropping new colors onto the gradient bar from the picker. When you find the colors you like, click OK, and in the Layer Style window, adjust the angle, style, and scale options to make the gradient better. In fact, adjusting these even slightly can drastically change how the gradient appears on the text. Play around with them and done. Click OK once you have a gradient you like to apply it to the text layer. So having the power to transform text with gradients and other effects lets your creativity run free. You can keep adding styles like shadows, textures, glows, and more. So try out gradient text, see where it takes you, and have fun making eye-catching design. Remember, learning Photoshop takes time and practice. Follow these steps slowly, use guides if you need to, and don't get discouraged. With the amazing tricks gradients can add to your toolbox, you will quickly be on your way to mastering text effects and more in Photoshop.